My old phone is officially dead. No response, no power. It could be the power button, the battery, or maybe the motherboard just gave up on life. But don't worry, we're going to diagnose it properly. And yes, I will be the phone doctor today. For this super serious teardown, ESD mat and the phone ready. We'll need 2 flathead tips and a T4 screwdriver. And yes, I promise not to electrocute myself on camera, because apparently phones have feelings too. And carefully pry off the outer frame to expose all the screws underneath. Yeah, this frame is basically a mini gym membership. It's a little stubborn, but there we go, success. Next, remove the SIM card tray. Time to unscrew the upper panel and reveal the mysterious motherboard. Yep, confirmed. The battery connector is the villain here. I knew it, basically Sherlock Holmes of smartphones. Good news, the buttons are innocent. They did nothing wrong. So I'll reseat all the remaining connectors. You know, just giving them some tender love and care. Reconnect the battery. And now for some thermal paste magic. Not on the battery, of course, that would be a disaster. Just on the motherboard's thermal contact to keep things cool. Because we don't want this phone turning into a mini heater, right? Next up, reconnect the fingerprint scanner and other components. Moment of truth. Oh yes! It powers on. Alive and kicking. And just to be safe, I'm putting some double-sided tape under the battery, so it behaves and doesn't try to run away again. I'm carefully using a razor blade, like a surgeon avoiding cutting any precious ribbon cables. I swear these cables have little lives of their own. And there we go. Everything works perfectly. The phone is alive and I am a hero once again. The phone almost died, but teamwork, patience, and just a tiny bit of fear saved it. Remember, never underestimate a stubborn connector. And yes, if your phone dies, don't panic. Just call me. Or watch this video and learn a thing or two.